So I'm over at the bandsaw. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut this lot off. I'll probably cut this into a smaller chunk anyway, because you're going to have to go back in the furnace. Cut them off, cut them through individuals, and then I'll see about doing any machining that I need to do on what's left. The spray I just used was just to lubricate the bearings. They're a bit knackered and I've got a new set of bearings on, got to replace them. So, and before anybody else says anything, I'm not asking you to do this, this is my job. So yeah, I did do a bit of stupid cutting manoeuvre every now and then. But like I say, just don't do it, just watch it and cringe. A lot of this I'm just going to fast forward and skip a few bits and pieces. But basically this is all footage I was sure that I'd taken, but I just couldn't find when I edited the last video. It was just, I just lost it. And as it happens, it just happened to be in the next video. It sort of linked on from it, but I've obviously put it in the wrong folder and hadn't looked in there. But anyway, I'm just going to let you watch it. And I'll probably see you in the next video. If you don't hear from me again. It's about time I bought myself a set of aluminium files, but the price of these things is like, oh dear. I'm going to leave the others. Mate can file them up if he wants to. But he's probably going to get them sandblasted anyway, so